Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the keyboard shortcut for the task view. So first of all, what is the task view? So the task view allows you to see all the running programs and the recent programs so that you can switch between them, and it also allows you to do other things. It also allows you to create a virtual desktop using the task view. So now this is how we are going to implement this video. So to open the task view, we will use the Windows key and the Tab key. So now let's get started. So now I'm at my desktop. So for opening the task view, I will have to click on the Windows key and the Tab key. So let's say if I want to switch to the notepad, I will just have to click over here at the notepad. And now I have switched. So if I want to create another desktop using the task view, I will have to click on the Windows plus Tab and then just click on the desktop 2, or just click on a new desktop. So then click on the desktop tree. So that allows me to create virtual desktop using the task view. So this is how you open the task view and switch your tasks and also create some virtual desktop. So let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to use the task view using the keyboard shortcuts. So thank you for watching.